Ma, you think I can go out tonight with Bay?
Did you do the dishes?
Yes.
Dog?
Yes.
Bathroom? Did your grandpa's earwax?
Yes.
Don't be fucking loud with me, bitch.
Ma, you be on that bullshit. All I said was, could I go out tonight?
Let me check your work.
Ma, you see I done dusted the place and everything. Yeah. Ma.
You call this dust?
Ma, I tried.
This ain't no fucking dust. Get over there.
Ma, you think I can go out with Bay? I took the trash out tonight, so can I please go?
But you didn't put a new trash bag in here, stupid ass.
Bruh.
Dang, Ma, okay, I am.
Put one in there and then we'll keep going. Ass in there. Right now.
Ma, the shower clean.
Okay.
See, I did all that good work
I
on
see
there.
it, I see a little nigga.
The mirror look good.
There you go, good. Okay. There's shit in the toilet, Jalen.
Put your seatbelt on.
I am.
You see she coming, bro. Get this
Nigga, stop
motherfucking
playing.
down.
Ooh, child. I wish his daddy was here, but it's okay. I'm his daddy and his mama. I can't wait to whoop his ass.
Babe, I'm so excited for the future.
Me too.
Oh my God, I can't wait till we have kids and everything.
Here's some orders to start you two off.
Thank you. So, babe, what you finna order?
Order my ass! You shouldn't be Gucci mama, plus you funny next time you start
Gucci mama.
Bitch!